Git series. In the previous video, we learned how to check changes, add files, commit changes, and view Git history. In today's video, we will learn one of the most important concepts in Git, that is the Git branches. We will understand what is a branch, why developers use branches, how to create a branch, how to switch between branches, and how to delete a branch. First, let's understand the concept. Then, we will do it practically. So, what is branch? Before understanding the commands, let's understand what a branch is. A branch is like a separate copy of your project where you can work on new changes without affecting your main code. By default, when we create a Git repository, usually work on the main code. For example, imagine you have an application. Your main branch contains the stable version of your application. Now you want to add a new feature, that is the edit block. Instead of directly changing the main code, you create a new branch called feature edit block. You can make all your changes there. After the testing, you can merge those changes back into the main branch. Why developers use branches? Developers use branches because multiple developers can work on a different feature at the same time. For example, developer 1 works on a edit block feature and developer 2 works on a payment feature. Both can work separately. Second, it protects the main code. If your new feature has a problem, your main branches remain safe. Third, it helps to organize development work. Every feature or bug fix can have its own branches. Next, create a branch. Now, let's see how to create a branch. For creating a new branch, we use Git Branch and that branch name. This command creates a new branch but does not move to that branch. For example, suppose we create a branch using the Git Branch edit block. This creates a new branch named feature edit block. Let's check our existing branches. You can see our current branch. The star symbol shows which branch we are currently using. Now, let's create a new branch. Now, we will check branches again. Now, our new branch is created. You can see here. Feature edit block is created now. Switching branches. Creating a branch is not enough. We need to move into that branch to start working. For switching branches, we use git checkout and the branch name. For example, git checkout feature edit block. Now, all changes we make will happen inside this branch. Let's switch to our feature branch. Now, check the current branch. Here you can see we switch to our feature branch, feature edit block. Modern way to switch. In a newer version of Git, there is a simpler command to switch branches. Instead of checkout, we can use git switch and branch name. For example, git switch and feature edit block. If you want to create and switch to a branch in one command, use git switch -c feature payment. This will create the branch and move you into the branch. Let's create a new branch using the modern command. Now check. Here you can see we have created a new branch, that is the feature payment, and we shift to this branch, that new branch. We are now working on a new feature branch, that is the feature payment. Next, delete branch. After completing your feature and merging the changes, you usually don't need the branch anymore. To delete a branch, we use Git Branch -d and branch name. For example, Git Branch -d and feature payment. This deletes the branch safely. If Git thinks the branch has unmerged changes, it will stop you. For force delete, we use Git Branch -D and branch name. Delete our old branch. First, we'll switch to another branch. Now we are on feature payment and we'll shift to the feature edit block. Git checkout feature edit block. Now we'll check our current branch. Here you can see our current branch is feature edit block. So now we will delete this feature payment branch. For that we will use Git Branch -d and branch name, that is the feature payment. Here you can see the message deleted branch, that is the feature payment. That means our branch is deleted successfully. Now we'll check our branches. Here you can see our feature payment branch is deleted. Now only two branches there, feature edit block and main branch. We are on edit block branch. So the basic branch workflow is create a branch using the Git Branch feature, then switch a branch using the command git checkout feature or git switch feature, then next create and switch using the command git switch -c feature, and last delete branch using the Git Branch -d and feature. This is the workflow developers use every day. In the next video, we will learn Git merge, how to bring feature branch changes back into the main branch. Thank you for watching.